Hello, today let's see the job of senior engineer data infrastructure. This is information technology operation and contract full-time 5 year experience required. This is the salary 4,800 to 8,000 monthly. There have one applicant. Okay, let's see the role and the responsibilities. Database administration act as the subject matter experts for database related service. Manage the daily BAU operation of database related service. BAU business as usual. Okay. It is abbreviation Django. It is Django. Okay. Carry out service monitoring end-to-end performance performance correlation, and database performance optimization. Create, review, and update the system documentation and work instructions to enhance the efficiency of daily operations. Perform capacity plan to seize. Perform capacity.
Capacity.
Perform capacity planning to size database resource to meet the demands of application workloads. Yes, this should be the database performance tuning. Performance capacity planning to size the database resource. I think maybe the manager of the job, the boss of this job, cannot understand what is the size of the database resource. He cannot have the planning of the database resource. Do not understand what about the shrink or shrink how to shrink the database to save the space. Okay, let's see the next line. Plan, execute, and monitor backup schedules in accordance with business needs and data retention and data retention policy. Okay. Review database security. Perform database hardening and apply regular or ad-hoc security patch to ensure compliance with IT security policy. I think maybe the business maybe strike. Yeah. Next line. Coordinate support with application support teams to schedule database update and upgrade the database with minimal business impact. I think maybe this GD is right by the product manager, or maybe by the manager. He is very familiar with the business of NTO, but not very familiar about the database, because the database is different from the other systems. For example, database required for the security based on the user, the spacer, and the access ruler, and the memory planning, and the background and the recovery strategy. This is database. For example, for Oracle, for SQL Server, for the PostgreSQL, all according to this ruler. There's no other you can do, and you must monitor the performance because it is needed to tuning the performance of the database. For example, to tuning for the index, for Oracle is SGA, for PostgreSQL is the block size, and for Microsoft SQL is for the disk space usage. There is a different performance tuning for different database. Okay, let's go on. Provide level 2 support for database service related query. How to say the level 2 support? Maybe Django in this field. Maybe Django in NTO. Okay, next line. Perform instant escalation in accordance to escalation procedure. Yes, always the policy, the strategy, always the Django. C is very high, but it is not the actual technology. Next line. Coordinate with other functional terms in instant handling and ensure incidents are resolved or work around within stipulated SLA. SLA is service level assurance. Stipulated maybe stipulated by the manager or the NTO, maybe by the PDPA or other anything you can think. Always ruler, always like this paper I have seen. We are likely to this book TOGAF. It is full of rulers, but nothing about technology. But if you have the paper about the TOGAF, you can have a very good job. But it is no technology related. It is, I think, all this demand is bullshit. Okay, let's go on. Contribute to drive root cause analysis. Yes, root cause analysis is always bullshit. Ensure that all internal processes and procedures are up to date and in accordance with the company's directives. It's always 废话连篇。A lot of crap.
A lot of crap.
A lot of crap because I think from the job description there is almost no technology Django, but also no technology detail requirements, but just for the Django and the empty world. Yes, let's see the data service provision. Perform requirements gathering with application support teams. Yes, always these words. No any user for a job for the engineer, because the engineer always think about how to deal with the problem, how to tuning, how to improvement of the systems, how to guarantee the system can run smoothly. But for the manager, they always think about gathering requirement, strong support, and all of us like this. I think who released this regulation, I think it is useful, but just for high salary, but no use for your daily working, for your technology so I do not see this book. Okay, let's see the next line. Recommend appropriate data service and system capacity according to agreed requirements. Next line. Developers configuration policy to optimize security, performance, and availability. Set up service according to policy and guideline. Set up data pipeline for data analysis and dashboard initiatives. Coordinates with other function teams to complete the work required to operational data services such as IP address and DNS request, firewall port open and security scan, database onboarding, data pipeline creating, database monitoring and database performance monitoring. Just a few technology jungle. Ongoing review and improvements ongoing review and improvement of process flow, system and process through automation, innovation, as well as the adoption of new technologies. I think from all this description, you can see the director or the manager for this operation is I know nothing about Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, PostgreSQL, and such as DB2. Know nothing about the database, but just you must obey the command according to the ruler and support your team member and the performance of the database. Just these empty words. Okay, let's see something more. Implementation of IT initiatives and solutions. Provide feedback on the design or data service or new systems. Support the execution of database service initiative and business project. Always blanket. Requirements. Recognize the deployment of IT relative fields. Minimum 5 years of hands-on experience in system and database administration in enterprise or campus environment. Campus environment. Hands-on experience in administration, MS SQL, Oracle database, 10G and above. Oracle high availability technologies such as RAC and data guide, data performance tuning and troubleshooting and database upgrade and migration tools. Very easy. Common jargon for Oracle. Hands-on experience in data cleansing. What is cleansing? Cleansing in data cleansing, data transformation and data quality management. Hands-on experience in developing dashboard using data visualization tools such as QlikView, Sense, Power BI, and etc. Power BI is developed by Microsoft SQL. And the next line, knowledge of MariaDB, MySQL, and PostgreSQL. Experience in Windows, Linux variant, preferable Red Hat and Ubuntu. Experience in capacity planning, availability management, and business continuous management. Always empty words. Experience in project management, independent, highly motivated, and proactive team play who can work with minimal supervision. Yes, if you have the interest in technology, you have the ability to working independently, and you can have few supervision. Okay, excellent in writing and verbal communication. The following certification, while not necessary, will be added advantage. Database administrator, certificated professional or Microsoft, Oracle, MySQL, ITIL fundamental level. It is just no use paper. certificate professional in data analysis, data visualization, duplication, machine learning, AWS Azure certifications. Okay, it is very easy for this job. Let's see what about the company. As research internship public university, Nanyang Technology University, Singapore NTU Singapore has 33,000 undergraduate and postgraduate students in the engineering, business science, humanity, arts, social science, and graduate colleges. It is also a medical school, the Lincoln York School or medicine, established joined with Imperial
Imperial.
Imperial College London, with Imperial College London. Until is also home to a world-class autonomous institute, the National Institute of Education, Rajantana
Rajaratnam.
School of International Students, Earth
Observatory.
Observatory of Singapore and the Singapore Center of Environment, Life Science, Engineering, and various leading research centers such as the Nanyang Environment and Water Research Institute, NEWRI, and the Engineering Research Institute at NTU, ERI at N. Ranked among the world's top universities by QS, NTU has also been named the world's top young university for the past 7 years. The university's main campus is frequently listed among the top 15 most beautiful university campuses in the world, and has 57 green mark certified. Green mark certified, equivalent to LEED certified building, which 95% and are certified green mark platinum. Apart from its main campus, NTU also has a campus in
Novena.
In Novena, Singapore's healthcare district. Under the NTU Smart Campus vision, the university harnesses the power of digital technology and tech-enabled solutions to support better learning and living experience, the discovery of new knowledge, and the sustainability of resource. Okay, just these words. Let's close. Thank you.